Hi, it's Jenny. Welcome back to my channel. Today's weekly stamping collab was hosted by Judy Nail Art, and this is the collab she prepared, as well as all the ladies that participated. Guyleen325, Dolphin Chick Nails, Polished Panther, Ali's Blog, Nerdy Creations, Maya Nail Designs, Girly Nail 66, and Patty's Polish Corner. Check the description box for links to their videos. The base for my manicure are the beautiful Sparkle & Co. dip nails I prepared 17 days ago, and you can still see how beautiful and shiny they look. You can definitely see the nail growth because I've been wearing them for so long, but I'm excited to stamp over these and see what I can create. If you'd like to see a step-by-step tutorial of how I created my dip powder nails, I'll leave a link in the description box of the video. I'll be using the Ejiubas stamping plate EJB-X04, which has images on both sides of the plate. I've got lots of seashells to choose from. The two polishes I'll be using to stamp are from Maniology, and they're called Straight Up Black and Heart of Gold. I'll be doing a double stamping. First, I'll stamp the image with the black polish, and then I'll stamp over it using the gold. I choose several images for different nails and follow the same steps. As you can see, the Ejiubas stamping plates are very well etched and the images are so beautiful. After stamping, I'll seal in the designs using my Born Pretty No Smudge top coat. And this is the completed manicure. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thanks so much for watching and have a wonderful day. Bye!